So we have got a package here from Amazon. It is a jigsaw puzzle with 1,000 pieces. I thought this would come in a bigger box, but it's fine. So we have got this box in this zipper bag. There is a subscription card, guarantee card, receive a free daily planner and money back thank you card. Thank you for the order. And this is the puzzle box. This is how the picture is supposed to look. It's a street view, and this was the best one there was. It has 1,000 pieces. Oh my god, look at this. I hope this doesn't fall. These are 100,000 pieces. Here is a picture that we need to follow.
Hours later.
So I have sorted all these alphabets. There will be A here, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And this will be looking something like this. This section is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Each alphabet has 100 pieces.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this A section is done, which is this corner of the picture. If you compare it, it's just this much portion and a lot is left right now. A portion is complete and these are the other portions which are left.
Three hours later. The next day.
Okay, so this is day 2 of our puzzle and I have done A, D, G, H and this was done by my brother. So this much is done and now I is left.
A few moments later. 6 hours later. Later. One hour later.
Okay, so I have done the A part, B is left, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Only this B portion is left now.
Later.
99.99% the puzzle is done, and this is the last piece. This was the hardest portion of them all because it's all blue, and these were comparatively easier, but it was fun altogether. If you want to gift this to any of your friends that you hate, then do gift them, because it's so tiring. They will know that you hate them. Anyways, it's a good activity for holidays when you feel bored. I really enjoyed it. This was the cheapest 1000-piece puzzle that I could find. This one is a street view puzzle. There are other 8 models also. You can find them on Amazon. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. This is how it looks from back. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.